Hello, and thank you for joining us here today. In this video, we'll be covering how to apply to run an offer in the RingbaX platform. Let's get started. Once you have been approved as a seller on RingbaX, you can apply to run a campaign. This is a required step for quality assurance and to ensure everyone on the Ringba exchange is in the best position for success. To apply to run a campaign, go to the Offers page. This will show you a list of all the offers that are available for you to run. Find the offer you are interested in and click the Apply to Run button and fill out all the required information. At the top, you will get a description of the offer, as well as the language, category, and traffic source type. Below that, you will see a list of all the traffic sources and promotional methods that the offer will accept. From this list, select all the traffic sources that you will use to drive calls to the offer. It's important to note that you are not allowed to use any other promotional method or traffic source to send calls to this offer. Doing so will result in termination from RingbaX and may result in non-payment in accordance with the RingbaX terms of service. You will then be asked if any of your traffic will be coming from third-party affiliates. Select either yes, no, or some. If you will be selling any calls that you did not generate yourself, you must segment this traffic in your account. Failure to do so will also result in termination from the exchange and may result in non-payment. From here, you will need to provide URLs for any landing pages that you will be using. This provides us with more context about the quality of traffic you are generating, as well as ensuring your copy is compliant. Next, you will be asked to provide specific details about your promotional methods and how you are generating traffic. The more specific you can be, the better. Give us as much information as you can so we can determine if it meets the needs of our buyers. Finally, you will need to confirm that you understand that misrepresenting traffic sources or failing to segment third-party traffic will result in termination from RingbaX and may result in non-payment in accordance with the terms of service. Click the checkbox and hit the Apply button. Once you have sent your application, you can view your offer details or withdraw your offer if you need to make changes. The RingbaX team will review your offer application and send you a notification via email if you are approved. If your application is denied or if we need more information, a RingbaX team member will be in touch. If you have any more questions concerning RingbaX, Ringba, pay-per-call, or call tracking, go ahead and visit www.ringba.com to get in touch with a Ringba or RingbaX expert, and we'll be happy to help.